This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink an image to a PDF on a web page. Let me jump over to my web page here. I have my browser open now and I have a very basic web page here. I have a line of text, how to hyperlink an image to a PDF, and then I have an image. This is a PNG image. If I click on this image, it opens up a PDF document. The way to do that, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let me jump over to VS Code here. I am on VS Code now and I have a very basic HTML document set up here. The folder that I'm working inside of, this is the folder I'm working inside of, and I just have a index.html file. I have an images folder. Inside of that images folder, I have the image that I'm going to use. And then I have a documents folder, and inside of that documents folder is the PDF that I'm going to use. I'm going to go back to VS Code. I have a simple line of text so far, how to hyperlink an image to a PDF. Now I want to add my image tag. I'm going to go down below that line of text. I'm going to make a bracket, img, space, src, equals, and then a pair of double quotations. And in between those two double quotations, I want to tell the browser where my image is located at. My image is in a folder named images, / and then the name of my image file is PDF _ image, and the extension for my image file is a PNG. I'm going to do .png. Then I'm going to go outside of that last double quotation. I'm going to make a space, and I'm going to create an event listener. The one that I'm going to use is onclick, equals, double quotations, and in between those two double quotations, I'm going to type location.href. Then I'm going to do another equals, and then I'm going to do a pair of single quotations. And I'm going to put my mouse cursor inside of those two single quotations, and I'm going to tell the browser where my PDF is located. My PDF is in a folder called Documents. I'm going to do a / and then the name of my PDF file is example. And then the extension to my PDF is .pdf. Now I'm going to place my mouse cursor between that last single quotation and the last double quotation. I'm going to make a semicolon here. Then I'm going to put my mouse cursor outside of that last double quotation. I'm going to make a space, and I'm going to add some alt text. Alt equals double quotations, and you can place whatever you need as your alt text. I'm going to write clickable image. Then I'm going to place my mouse cursor outside of that last double quotation, and I'm going to close my image tag by putting a bracket there. Then I'm going to go up to the top. I'm going to click on Save, File, and then Save. Now I'm going to go back to my browser. I'm going to do refresh on my browser. And then I'm going to click on my image, and it should take me to my PDF file. It opens up my PDF file. It's connected properly. That is how to hyperlink an image to a PDF document using HTML. Thanks for watching.